Hello everyone. In this video we will explore hierarchies in Power BI. So we will explore how drill down happens and how even drill across. So we will use multiple dimensions in the same hierarchy and traverse it and go up and down. I've got this file open with me. It's called Hierarchy Power BI, and I've also uploaded this file to GitHub. I will leave a link to this repository in the video notes so you can download the file. The name of the file is 51 Hierarchy Power BI. So you can download the file and do the tutorial with me. Now I've got the file open here with me, and I've got the bar chart here. And you can see the axis is calendar year and the sales amount. Now let's say from calendar year I want to go to calendar month, or let's say I want to go to English country region name from calendar year. So I will just create a hierarchy where what I've done is I've just grabbed the English country region name and put it underneath. And let me just maximize this, and I can click on this button which says go to the next level in the hierarchy. And what it does is it divides the same by country. So let's go up again. So what it's doing is it's showing us 2007, 2008, and if we click this, it goes on to the next level. What we can also do is click on this one, the double prong, which says expand all. So what it will, let me just click on this. So it does is for every year it is basically showing me the country. So the year and the country name and the revenue. So let's go up again. I could also use this. So click to turn on drill down. So if I click this, what happens is if I go and click on 2008, it shows me the 2008 data by breakdown. I can go up again. Similarly for 2007 and so on. Because I've got this drill mode on. So let's just go up. So we've got calendar year and English country region name. I will also pull in the English calendar month name, English month name, and I will put it here below calendar year. And for I want to have the country region name on top, so I'll just drag this on top. And you can see, so the first view is it shows us by country, and then the next one is I can click this and it shows me by year, and then the next one is by month name. So you can see it's following this hierarchy structure. So let's go back up, and then if we click this expand to one level, and you can see it's showing me country and then calendar year. And let's go down one more level and it will show country, year, and then month. So it basically shows all the levels of the hierarchy. Let's go up again, and if I click on this, so I've enabled drill down on my visual. So if I double click United States, it shows me the data for United States, and I can go up and again go up. So if I click it once and then I double click it again, oh, it's filtered the data by. Similarly for Australia, I can click that and it shows me. So I've just done a single click and it shows me data by year, and I can again do a single click and it will show me the months as well. So an interesting way that I'm sort of not following any particular hierarchy, but I've created my own dynamic hierarchy here. And I'll just uncheck this, and we'll just go back to the report. And you can see if I've got this checked, I can keep going to the next levels. but the highlighting is not enabled, as you can see. So if I go up again and go up again, and if I uncheck this, highlighting will become enabled now. So I could select United States, and automatically in the other visuals it's showing me United States related data. So in this video, we sort of gone through a custom hierarchy implementation in Power BI and how we can go and traverse it, drill across and drill down. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you enjoy what I'm doing. Thank you.